Many religions talk about the Garden of Eden in their own version, and the, getting back to the Garden of Eden where the humans and the animals and nature and everything is living in harmony, everything is pristine, there's more than enough food and clean water for everyone and all these things. So, why are we listening to those religions with the help of the government and their militaries? Why are we listening to them when they're literally doing the exact opposite to the restoration of the Garden of Eden? Everything that they do is the opposite to the restoration of the garden for thousands of years, and it continues today. Back in the day, they would get slaves, send conquistadors to wipe out cultures, all the information of the cultures, rape, pillage, try to force convert into their way, even though a lot of those cultures were already living in paradise on earth in their own way. They were harmonized with the earth, doing the things to have a balance of the food and the water, and knew how to give back. These tribes in the Amazon that are still to this day getting wiped out. Who knows how many there were? But they're trying to destroy the rainforests and all of the information and monetize the natural wisdom of the plants that's given to the shamans. This is happening all over the planet. It's been happening. And the governments and the religions are teaching the exact opposite. They're not actually telling us how to harmonize with the earth. If that was the case, we would certainly not be having $1 trillion+ militaries destroying cultures, families, whole groups of people, all the cultural wisdom and knowledge and architecture and statues and paintings in the Middle East and all over everywhere else on the planet also, right? All the Native Americans, all the wisdom destroyed. How to actually be sovereign and live in harmony with the earth. Why? Because they want greed, control, manipulation. It's why everything is the way that it is. 100% in the opposite direction of the restoration of the Garden of Eden. So don't you think it's time that we maybe consider a different group and a different establishment of true leadership that actually is taking steps to the restoration of paradise on earth? Instead of over and over and over and over for hundreds and thousands of years following the same people and their ancestors that have been controlling and destroying the planet in bigger and better ways. It's time to boost up the actual leaders that are bringing in sustainability, regeneration of the earth, planting of fruit forests, and different things to actually elevate humanity instead of continually making it worse for everybody. If they were doing things for the people, our cities would be full of fruit trees and vertical gardens feeding everyone with clean water. And that's not the case, is it? No. They would be educating us. Our education systems would be teaching about gardening, how to be self-aware, how to meditate, truly understanding our anatomy in a whole new way, our energy body, understanding all of these ancient things, how to learn about medicines of the body instead of pharmaceutical garbage that just makes things worse. We'd be learning how to have organic food and not GMO food with poison sprayed all over the place.